This is the Amazon, home to the loudest bird in the world, the screaming piha. Small and unassuming, the bird lets out its iconic loud call, filling the screen with sound. The screaming piha's call can reach a deafening 116 decibels, and that's louder than a chainsaw. It's as loud as a rock concert, all to impress a mate, and it can travel for miles through the dense jungle, ensuring no female piha misses the memo. And just like that, the rainforest returns to its peaceful hum until the piha calls again. Like, comment, and subscribe for more wild wonders.